is this colorful place? This is WordNest Junior Kids channel. We learn with fun. Hey, Peacock. Today's word sounds a little magical.
Yes, Gillo. Today's word is eternal.
Eternal means a very long time.
Eternal means something that never ends.
Like how time keeps going and doesn't stop?
Yes, that's why time is called eternal.
And truth?
Truth is also eternal.
Oh, that means something that lasts forever.
Exactly. Eternal means forever and always.
Bye-bye, kids. See you in the next video. Take care, children. See you soon with a new word.